Assalamualaikum, my dear students. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. The topic we are going to discuss today it is the introduction to sodium silicate, which is the type of silicates of silicon. So first one we have its formula. Basically, the formula for the sodium silicate we have it is Na2SiO3, in which three oxygen atoms combine with the one silicon which is a central atom along with the two sodium atoms. So its structure formula here we have silicon combined with the three oxygen atoms and the two sodium ions are surrounding it. This is known as the sodium silicate. So first one is the method for the preparation of the sodium silicate. In this method, we have the sodium carbonate. It combines with the silicon dioxide, which is SiO2, and it forms the sodium silicate along with the production of the carbon dioxide gas. Basically, the sodium silicate, it is the salt of metasilicic acid. It is the salt of metasilicic acid, and the metasilicic acid is having the formula H2SiO3. This is also known as the water glass, or it is also known as the soluble glass. Both the name have been used for this for the metasilicic acid or the sodium silicate. And sodium silicate is just prepared by the help of the fused sodium carbonate with the pure sand. SiO2, it is known as the sand. When they both fused into one another, the product is sodium silicate we gain. Basically, sodium silicate in this picture you can see that they are white crystalline solids, white crystalline solids. They are present in the solid state and they are having some transparent appearance. On the other hand, this all process of the preparation of the sodium silicate is just carried out in a furnace, and that furnace is mainly given a specific name that is known as reverberatory furnace. The word we have reverberatory furnace. This is specifically for the production of the sodium silicate from fused sodium carbonate plus sand. After that, we have some properties of the sodium silicate. Mainly, sodium silicate, it is soluble in water. This is the main property of the sodium silicate, that it is soluble in water. It's mean it is polar in nature. Polar in nature means, as we know that water is polar in nature, so the substance that get dissolved in water, it is polar in nature according to the dissolving rule or the solubility rule, which is like dissolve like. So all the polar substances just get dissolved in the polar and non-polar get dissolved in non-polar. On the other hand, the sodium silicate, its solution is strongly alkaline in nature. Alkaline in nature because it undergoes hydrolysis. When it undergoes hydrolysis, we just gain the products like the sodium and the silicon dioxide into the different forms. So this is the main product gained upon the hydrolysis. On the other hand, as they are strongly alkaline, so they must have their effect on the litmus paper. So we can detect them by the use of the litmus paper. As we have two types of litmus paper. The first one we have blue litmus paper, and the other litmus paper we have it is in red color. So when we have an acidic solution, it simply turns the solution blue to red. This is for acids. But on the other hand, if we have alkaline solutions, they just turn red into the blue. So sodium silicate will turn the red litmus paper into the blue, but it will not have no effect on the blue litmus paper because it is not acidic in nature. So this is the simple properties of the sodium silicates. After that, we have the uses of the sodium silicate, that where we can use the sodium silicate. The first one use we have, it is used as a filler for the soap in the soap industry. If we mean it is used in the production of the soaps as a filler. If the soap is having some quantity that is just left behind as a cavity or an empty, then it is just used to fill in the soaps. Second use we have, it is using textile as a fireproof. So all the textile or the fabric that we need to make it fireproof, we used over there the sodium silicate, or it is used in the textile. In turn, if we have just get to do the burn the cloth, it will not burn because it is made up of sodium silicate, and sodium silicate just work as a fireproof for the different textile fabrics. Third one, use it is used in the furniture polish. So the polish that we use to cover up the furniture, this is called as mainly the furniture polisher. So to make the furniture attractive and a clean full surface, we just need to polish that surface of the furniture with some specific chemical. That chemical contain the sodium silicate in it. On the other hand, the last one, use of the sodium silicate, it is also used in calico printing. So this is the specific type of printing in which what we have to do is a specific printing. It was basically an old method of the printing in which we just having a surface with some specific design, and we just put up it into the sodium silicate, and then we just cover the surface where we want to print something specific. You can say that we're going to print something like any design or any surface with the specific flowers. So this is used in the calico printing, mainly an old process of the printing. So this was a simple sodium silicates, that how it can be prepared, what are its properties, and where we can use it. So this was the limited topic about this. I hope you guys understand, and if you have any queries, you may ask me about that in the comment section, and I will get back to you guys soon. The next topic we will discuss it is the magnesium silicate and asbestos. For that time, you guys keep learning and have a good day.